Which of the following is a multiple of 3? So we have shortcut in finding the multiple of 3. So a number it is divisible by 3 or multiple of 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Okay, so let's just add the digits. 201, we have 2 plus 0 plus 1, so that is equal to 3. So 3 is divisible by 3. 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. So therefore 201. So this is a multiple of 3 because the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. So let's just prove that B, C, and D are not divisible by 3 using the same concept. So 193, let's add the digits. 1 plus 9 plus 3, that is equal to 1 plus 9 is 10 plus 3, we have 13. 13 is not divisible by 3. And then we have 127. So 1 plus 2 plus 7, that is equal to 10. 10 is not divisible by 3. So therefore, 127 is not divisible by 3. And then we have 211. Add the digits. 2 plus 1 plus 1, that's equal to 4. Again, 4 is not divisible by 3. Therefore, our answer is correct. Letter A, 201 is divisible by 3 or multiple of 3. Follow for more.